Well, good morning, everyone. It is Mark and Billy, another day at the Lake of the Ozarks with you. It is the 13th of May. It's a Wednesday. We're at Shawnee Bend. We're going to head up towards the dam today around mile marker 4, I think is where we're going to start. Actually, we're going to start right here at Shawnee Bend at lunch. Billy's already been out on the boat, said he caught himself a keeper. Didn't have it on video. Didn't get a picture of it, but he caught that on a watermelon wacky worm right by the dock. Give it a shot today, see how the fishing is. The water is dirty, pretty dirty. We'll see if it gets clearer as we get towards the dam. Got a breeze going already. I think we got a little bit of a breeze from the southwest. I'll have all that details in the end of the video as a summary, so you can kind of see what the conditions are. It's going to be probably close to 75 degrees later today. It's not too bad right now. Water temperature 70.2. I've got some links in the description below that may help you on some information about the Lake of the Ozark Fish Intel, Bass and Bob. And if you need a good guide, I got a recommendation for a guide service down there. Check it out. And we are going to get to fishing. Well, both of us are going to get to fishing here real shortly. We're going to take off. So again, thanks for joining the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Get out on the lake, do some fishing, have some fun. Take the family out, take the kids out. And if we do catch something, stay tuned for those highlights. Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah, it's the first time. It's like how that works, huh? That might be a keeper.
Nice fish.
Pregnant.
Yeah. Been feeding well in the neighborhood there. Eating well. Eating good. Yeah, that's a keeper. And it's a spot. And it's a, you think that's pregnant?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pregnant spot. I wonder if I pulled you off a bed. Get you back right there. Right back on the bed there, girl. Come on, Bubba. Bubba scale boots right in the middle of everything. Oh, almost a 2-pounder. 184 on the top water. Well. Oh yeah. Nice keeper. On a green pumpkin orange, almost 17 inches, 16 3/4. Should be almost 2 pounds. Oh, so close. 195. There we go. Oh my gosh, nice fish. He swallowed that thing though.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's in his mouth sideways. Look for the shadows, the shade. Oh man.
It was big. I wasn't moving it, so I thought it was snagged.
Oh my gosh. I got a nice one. I got a nice one, Billy. Oh shit.
Oh, isn't that it? Oh, we got it. It was a, maybe. Oh, I got one. I got one. You gotta drop the power poles. Oh shit, another keeper.
Dang, Billy, we hit the honey hole. Power poles are down. Oh, this guy swallowed it too.
Mine fell out right as I just touched it.
Oh man. Come on, dang. He's like, it's like the more I wait, the more it goes back down into his belly.
It's over this one here. So
I mean, it's going like right down into his stomach.
so it's 16 incher at least. Here, swap.
Yep, 16 inches, Billy. Thank you. Almost a 2-pounder. Woohoo! 189. Number 12 for you. Billy's fish. We're in the back of this pocket.
I think yours is bigger.
My fish is 18 inches. But right here,
I mean, that's almost 9 fish.
2.55 pounds.
I think it's almost 9 fish in here already.
A little bit of a wind gust. A little bit of a wind gust there. Oh, well, that's about it. That's a keeper. Right off the end there. That's a spot too. Yes, Kentucky. That's 16 inches long. Huh?
Wind's stronger than your trolling motor.
Yeah. Big old Kentucky. Another one over 2 pounds. Off the end of that. Oh, nice.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.